People generally asking, nowadays your skin is glowing. What is your skincare routine, or else what is the makeup that you are using? Yeah, I changed my skincare routine, which is really, which I'm not denying that. Before you do the makeup or anything, it is really important to the prepare your skin. So skin prep is important. Toner, moisturizer, and sunscreen. That's it. Trust me. I didn't. Currently, the skin that you are looking. Wait. Currently, the skin that you are seeing. Can I see it in a very closely? You can see. You can see the dark circles. I can see the dark circles. It's okay, fine. Everyone has dark circles. I didn't use the eyebrows, anything. Toner, moisturizer, sunscreen, because these are the basics. And again, yeah, I use the lips for this tint. This is Etude Water tint, which is gives you the exact shade which I'm currently wearing, which is in the shade Cherry. Okay, just one drop. Okay. Again, you can build up, for example, if you like that darker shades, you can go with the darker one. Basically, I'm not a kind of person who wants that dark shade on my lips. I'm basically keep it everything minimal, like it's kind of no makeup look. And I use the same thing as a blush. Okay, blush in the sense of, like, if you're a blush person, I'm again not a blush person. If you're a blush person, you can use it as a blush. It gives you that beautiful, fluffy, pinky cheeks. That's it. There is nothing fancy. Because look, I'm sitting in the home and I'm not wearing is going outside. Even though I go outside, trust me, this is the skincare. I don't do much. Toner, moisturizer, sunscreen, and the lip balm, lip tint, khalas. Enough. This is more than enough. Sometimes I don't do everything. I just apply the sunscreen and apply the lip tint and I'll go. I don't, not a kind of person. If you're expecting any 10 steps or 20 steps skincare routine, or else if you're expecting any makeup videos from me, trust me, if I know something, I'll definitely share. Currently, I'm in the process of learning, right? So I don't know much. So yeah, this is what I'm doing. If you like, you can follow the same. And very most important thing, the glow that you can get it when you inside healthy. For example, if you're drinking the water, if you're eating the good food, all the vitamins, minerals, and everything is fine. If you inside healthy, it will automatically reflect on your skin. By genetics, I have a good skin. Trust me, in my entire family, no one has a pimples issue or anything. I have a discoloration, and recently I have a dark circles because of the sleeping issue and all. Previously, I don't use it to be the dark circles as well. But my genetics is actually genes are good, so that I don't need to work on the skin. I don't have any major skin issues like acne problems, open pores issue. I don't have any major skin concerns, so it's easy for me. But if you have anything major skin concerns, you can use the related one. For example, if you have a open pores, then you can go with the niacinamide. And if you want the brightening effect on your skin, you can go with the vitamin C. And I suggest you to don't go for the 10 steps or 16 steps skincare routine, which is really not necessary for our skin. At the end of the day, it's a skin, right? If you apply the 16 products on the top, maybe one or two products penetrate, rest of the products will not do. We don't really need that much. Just target on your what is the basic concern. For me, my concern is discoloration, because I recently I try, I'm using the sunscreen for the so many years. For the 25 years, I didn't even apply the sunscreen. How much I damaged my skin. So I am just in the process of repairing everything. That is the reason I'm just using one serum. That's it. Yeah, less is better. And yeah, if I updated any my skincare routine, or if I'm using any of the products which is so मेरा हैंड्स इधर जाता है उधर जाता है. I think I'll definitely going to break this, so I'm keeping it here. Sorry. Yeah. Am I speaking too fastly? You guys are understanding. When it comes to the makeup, I have this one. This is House of Makeup Skin Tint. I'm trusting it. Sorry, I'm trying it for the first time. Trust me. Sorry. It's okay. Let me take it. It's messy. Look. This is in the shade M20 or something. Look. Even the skin tint is not. For example, if I'm applying this skin tint. Okay. Oh, sorry. You have to. You can see the white look, but it gives me the whitish kind of glow. I don't like it.